Wisconsin climate summary for this evening, as of 4 p.m., August 24, 2021. Today's high temperature of 88 degrees occurred at 11:28 a.m. This high was 9 degrees above the normal high of 79. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Rock County in south-central Wisconsin until 7 p.m. At 6:09 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Beloit, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Beloit, Clinton, Newark, Tiffany, Shopere, and Fuggs Hollow. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.